So, if you've been thinking of moving to a first floor living here in Durham, North Carolina, you will ask yourself, what if downsizing didn't mean giving up luxury? Imagine a beautifully designed ranch home with a gourmet chef's kitchen, a private courtyard, an open layout filled with natural light and resort style amenities right outside your door, and a lawn maintenance, a pool, pickleball courts, walking trails, and a clubhouse, and suddenly home feels like more like a retreat. Stay with me because this home may completely change the way you think about single living. Hey everyone, this is Anjanette. I'm your local realtor here in the Triangle area of North Carolina. And if you're thinking about moving to North Carolina or just curious about what it is like to live here, you're in the right place. On this channel, I tour homes, explore communities, and share what life is really like here, like in Cary, Apex, Durham, and Raleigh. And if you enjoy this type of content, I'd love for you to subscribe, like, and follow along. And whether you're ready in 9 days or 9 months, feel free to reach out. I'm always happy to help. So let's go ahead inside and see what makes this home so special. Hey everyone! Today we're going to tour this beautiful Promenade floor plan which offers 3 bedroom and 3 full bathroom, about 29,000 square foot living, and a 2 car garage. This is first floor living, guys. So let's go. Let's take a look inside. So this community is so beautiful, and it has it has this nice front porch right here where you can enjoy beautiful nights and afternoons. And let's go inside. Let's take a tour. So as we enter here, this is your entrance or front foyer. And then as we come in here, this is your first bedroom right here. It could be your guest room, whatever you want it. And it has this this closet right here, closet space. And then you can probably fit a nice queen size bed here. It's good size. And all your furniture's here, like your dresser. Nice. I like the decorations. And then this bedroom has an access to this full bathroom right here, which is very convenient. Okay. Oh, look at this shower. So you just walk right in here. It's frameless. This is nice. Easy walk-in. And the reason why this is done is because it's easy. Like for when you're 55 and over, you will really appreciate this type of shower because you don't trip over it. And that's so, thoughtfully designed for you. So there's no accidents that will happen. So when you walk out of your shower, easy to step outside, right? So that's good information that you might want to know about it. And so I like the way it's designed because it opens up to everything. So look at this area here where you can, put your photos or decorations, for extra storage here. And then this space opens up to your right away to your living space right here. It's really good, the way it's positioned because you can watch your TV there, and then at the same time you have the view of your courtyard. And let's come in here. So this room right here, they're giving you idea that this could be your office space, right? Some people like their office space, so this will be perfect for that. And it has this door that you can close when you are, you want privacy. And then This office also offers a closet here for more extra storage. Beautiful. I love it. And you know, when you're working, you also you can see your dining area right here as well. Right here. This is good. I like round tables because it's easy and you can fit more people. And it's not too spacious, okay? And your gourmet kitchen right here. Love it. I love the size of this sink. And then you at least can fit 3 people here for breakfast. You know, extra dining space here. And then your kitchen here. Look at all the cabinets. Did you notice that? There's so many storage here. It goes up to the ceiling for more storage. So that's good to very important to mention that, because some people, they love all their stuff and you know they ran out of storage space, and this really use up all the space up to the ceiling for more extra storage.
Skylights too.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Please. Oh my gosh, I didn't even notice the skylights. So yes, the skylights really adds brightness to the space. Very good. And you can, you know, you can just turn off the lights and just, you know, just use the skylight. And this one, for you people that love to cook with gas range, this has 5 gas burners right here. Nice. And here your, you know, microwave and oven and your pantry space right here. Wow, it's so nice that you don't sacrifice this, you know, your pantry space, and this has plenty of storage here, and it goes all the way to the left, to the right here for more storage space. So we, so also when we go towards this section, this is the door that leads to your garage. It's a 2-car garage. Okay, very spacious. And then it has this walk-in utility or coat closet as well. You can use it as, you know, utility and walk-in closet. And then more storage space, both left and right. So if you guys love storage, I do, you know, these are important features that you might want to consider. So, okay, let's walk towards this section of the home. This is your washer and dryer, okay? Washer and dryer, and then love the sink. Sometimes you needed this. And then, as you can see, you have options also for more storage here, which is great. I love it because you can use it to keep all your detergents, your laundry stuff. And wow, I'm telling you, I don't even know where to begin. Let's go this way first. Remember I told you about the shower here? Look at that. The tiles goes all the way to the ceilings, and this is really spacious. And look at that. Extra light, you know, windows for more light to come in. Of course, it's better that you can see what you're doing here. The better, the more visible, you know, the more light comes in, the better. And like I said, mentioning it to you, look at this, right? This is the, you know, that's a good feature here that you need to find out. You know, you need to know that, you know, people, you know, the 55 plus community, they love that. Those are very thoughtful design. And here's your water toilet, you know, your water closet there. And these are your two vanity sinks. Very important. Love it. Very important that. I love all the hardwares that they used. And closet space right here. Love the fact that it has already shelvings for easy accessibility for your stuff, your clothes. And I love the shelvings that are really sturdy, like hardwood, like wood finish. And you have this very decorative. And then there's two, so you don't have to sacrifice your space with your spouse or your partner. You have both two. Love it. Two walk-in closets here. Space for each one of you. And now let's go to the primary bedroom. What can I say? Look at the details of the ceiling. Wow. I love it. Isn't it gorgeous? Those little details add, add to the beauty of this space. And if you notice, all the windows here are large, and you can really enjoy the Carolina blue skies from this angle right here. And this is a good way to really imagine how you want to decorate your bedroom, your primary bedroom suites. Is that, at the end of the day, you just might, or maybe early in the morning, you just want to sit here, right? Or just enjoy a coffee here if you want and read your text. Or, use your gadgets here. So, yeah, this is a very good size primary bedroom right here. So, as we come back here to this, this home has a loft for added space, okay? Let's go. Wow. How would you like to have this? It's like another home up here. Why? Look, you have this area here where it could be your TV room or your media room, or it could be just another living space for you. And then you can convert this other space right here as your game section or game room. And then on this section, you can use it as your study or office space. So there's a lot of possibilities on this floor. And you also have access to your to your full bathroom right here. Look at the space here. Wow, this is really spacious. This is a very spacious bathroom. And it has closet space here too, just to let you know. Okay? There's more storage back at the back of that door. And then here, I love this feature where you can have, like if you're having game day, this will be another section where you can put a popcorn machine or your drinks, your wine cooler here, and another sink here where you don't have to go downstairs. It's all here. And here is wow, look at the size of this day bed. And look at the size of this room. Could be, you can also use this as a guest unit where people can just, when you have relatives, family visiting you, they can enjoy this space, and they don't even have to bother you downstairs, right? Isn't that amazing? I really like this feature. And this has a closet space here. And if you have guests staying with you for a longer period of time, this might be a perfect, space for them as well. All right, look at this. Wow, awesome. There's a walk-in closet here for more storage. This place has a lot of good surprises, isn't it? So desirable with the features, all its features. So, all right, some of you will be asking me, how much does a Promenade cost? Most of these has like floor plans. They offer 2 to 4 bedrooms, 2 to 3 bathroom, and their floor plans is ranging from 2,053 to 2,900 square feet of living space. This is the biggest one that they offer. It's about 2,900 square feet of living space. So it has 2-car garage, and this starting price of this home is around $618,900. So depending on what features you added, and it all all your options. So isn't it? I hope you enjoyed this tour, And watch out for the next more amenities and features of this home. All right, we're here. Right now, we're here at
The Courtyards at Oak Grove.
and these are the beautiful ladies here that will help us make your dreams come true here in North Carolina. One quick tip that I want to give you before you visit a new construction community is that also the sales agent in the model home just want to let you know that they work for the builder and they represent the builder's interests. So they don't represent you as a buyer. And that's why it's so important for you to have your own realtor who's looking out for your interests and helping you understand your options and making sure that they compare communities and also guiding you on every step of the way. Because many buyers simply don't realize this. So it's always, I always like to share this information to help you make an informed decision. And not only that, because this is the biggest purchase of your, probably your life. So it's good that you have a representation yourself as a buyer. Besides, most communities, most builders, they offer, the incentives or to the commission to the buyer's agent as well. So why not take advantage of it as well? Because, the builder's also giving that, incentive. So it's always good to think about it and let you know as a buyer. If you're looking for a home that combines comfort, convenience, and a resort style living, you'll definitely want to check this place, the Courtyards at Oak Grove. This beautiful community offers luxury ranch homes, and also they have townhomes with first floor owner suites and private courtyards. And it's really a nice place because you can relax here, unwind, and also gather your family or friends, just sipping your coffee or relaxing with your book, and also there's no lawn maintenance. It's also taken care for you. And so that you can spend less time on the upkeep and more time enjoying the lifestyle you love. Residents here also enjoy incredible amenities, including the clubhouse. They have fitness centers, swimming pool, pickleball courts, walking trails, pocket parks, and also even a dog park. So if you like more about learning more about this community and other homes in the Triangle, feel free to reach out to me. I'd love to help you explore your options here in North Carolina. Next, you will.
Tested by the potion, love it is the potion.